हाय माय नेम इज़ विद्युत कुंडू। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो आज आप एक छोटा प्रोजेक्ट बनाएंगे बेसिकली जहाँ पे मेन फंक्शनलिटी है वेब सॉकेट। सो वेब सॉकेट बेसिकली एक रियल टाइम सर्वर क्रिएट करता है यूज़र एंड क्लाइंट एंड सर्वर के बीच में। सो लेट्स क्विकली गो टू द VS कोड फर्स्ट। So as you can see, just quickly launch my terminal. Okay, so just go to the that folder. So as you can see, it's totally empty. So first we use command npm init hyphen y. So basically it's initial our package.json file. After that we need some dependencies like npm install stash save. We need express. We need body parser. We need mongoose for database, and also we need JSON web token for authentication. Okay, as of now that is pretty much good. As per our requirement we will install in future. So just it takes some time. Okay, so our project was set up. So and we need one more dependency here. So npm I nodemon before starting the project. So like now just simply create an, we use npc architecture, so we create a source folder here. In source folder we just create another file. It is our main file index.js. So now it's okay. And one more thing, we need to pass that we need to write this start script nodemon slash src slash index.js. Okay, pretty much good. Now we need to first we need to require all the necessary for the first express first. Express equals require express. So and one more thing need first we require all thing body parser, require body parser. Okay, one more thing we need here const mongoose. Oh no, we don't need that. That's enough. So first initial our express app here. Yeah, that's good. After that we need to some passes the data here. So next one is app.use. Just pass the body parser. So basically it takes the JSON format. So basically it parses all the JSON format data. And one more thing, like we need app.use body parser. So no, we don't need anything more, anything. So let's we need mongoose here also. We need to connect that const mongoose is equals to require mongoose. That's okay. Now initially initial our app.use, app.listen, then send process.env port, and output is 3000. We need a callback function. What it takes, like it's simply printing that. Express is running on 3000 as of now, so that pretty much. Okay, just starting the server. What I need, npm start. Okay, so it's starting properly. Now if we go to the localhost, yeah, cannot get, that means it's working perfect. So like if I use app get slash go to the app file, if I go to the yeah, it's a working file. So now all the parts are, so our express is running on 3000. So index file as of now it's completed, and we need to connect MongoDB here. So for that use right here, just use mongoose.connect, then passing the string, URL string, and we need one more thing. Use new URL, use new URL parser colon true. As of now I'm just giving a dummy, just copy my file here. It's almost okay. So it's crashing because it's not correct yet. I will change it later on. As of now, like so um, we should have we should have write. Okay, that's one perfect. Now basically it's in promise. Just so, sorry, alt jet. Yeah. So basically let's return and promise basically dot then after that, if it is successful, then we say simply say console dot log MongoDB connected, and also we need to catch error console.log errors. So just quickly change it. It's possible to. mm, that's why I need to check. Yeah, so it's working. Just so that is, please don't use that. As of now, all things are going good. We need one more thing in here that is not required as of now. So just quickly create our NBC structure. So sorry, we need models. One file is model, another file is controller. Maybe it's okay. So just create a one model here, new file, and it's an user model JS, and we create in here controller. So we create a new file called user controller.js, and one file is for routes. So in here we create routes.js. So that is the MVC architecture, model view controller. So it's view file, it's a model, it's a controller, and later on we add one more file like authentication file. So as of now it's okay. So let's quickly go to the our model here. Okay, so now we coming to, we need to first we need mongoose here. Basically we're gonna create the mongoose schema here. It's not suggesting that mongoose. After that we need to just define the schema called user schema. To new mongoose dot schema. So now so we need to write that. So first gonna name on field is type string, string, and we need that. So we need more thing now. So we need to do that way. So type string, it should be required. So, and also we just trim both sides in here. So we don't need to write extra API, extra logic for that. Just simply use that. Yes, it's true. It's completed. Now we need another file, another field, which is phone number. So we're gonna do that same. Type is number. It's also required. And it should be unique. And also trim true. Now another field is email. Its type should be string. So basically just copy that for saving extra time. After that we will and it should be unique also, so we just copy also that file to be, so it's okay as of now. And also in email all the fields are in lowercase, so lowercase true. One more field we need for password, so we just copy that thing from above. So the only field we don't need, it's unique part. And we don't need lowercase. Instead of that we can use minimum length. Minimum length is 8 and max length is 15. Yeah, it's all okay. Okay, and we need the timestamps here. Sorry, what I did, control X. We need to here. So after that we just exporting our module dot exports our schema. So mongoose dot model, defining the name is um, chat user, we call it as chat user and comma, it's an user schema. So that's all. I just need to format the document one more time, just quickly hide. So that is the model file here. So and in index.js it's gonna be overlap, so I need to change chat user chat management, so it's gonna changing that. Now we don't need model we just completed. Now we need to write the logic here. So basically we also write the mode validation like the professional used. सो लाइक हम प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में जो बैकएंड में यूज़ होते हैं हम उसी तरह इसको ट्राई करेंगे. सो बेसिकली फर्स्ट वी गोना import our model here, require model slash user model and just use create user API. So it's gonna be an async API request comma response. So just wrap it whole thing into try and catch. So just send restart status code. It's on server side. So status, if anything we don't know, find here, send. So simply we don't need that, we just simply pass that error here. Okay, all things good. Now we just need to write that logic here. So the logic is very simple. First we just let data equals dot body. After that we need to just create the, using the create API we just create the let new user is like just await call our model, the user model dot create function, and we pass simple the data, that much. And in response we will send this dot send status code for successful creating we use 201 dot send. And after that we just pass two things. One is status true comma message, just use message, small message. Yeah, user registration successful. And nothing, I need to pass the data colon new user. Now we simply go to the postman. So let's test that API. Okay, we already created that. So like for no, didn't. Many more things are need to export that module dot export creative route file. We need to it's not working. Yeah, it's working now. Const express equals to require express const just use write the naming convention dot router. Now our router is running smoothly. So now router dot post we need to also require const user controller. User controller is required. Slash controller slash user controller. Now we need to pass that slash register. Yeah, and we need to export route as well. Just need to change that on small because it's not a correct way to use that. Module dot exports router. Now go to the our first we need to go to your index file again. Const route equals to require no, we don't need that. So it's working for each route. Okay, so now that's okay. I got that word. We need to change that. Okay, yeah, it's connected. So let's try with hello. As of now, it's same and okay, it's fine. Yeah, registration successful, and that's all. So just check. Okay, maybe I'll install it. So its name was just quickly search that user test user chat management just reload the data. Yeah, so yeah, it's working. Let's check again, which will change to world, and we just 8 in 1 2 3 4. So as of now, like in second part we do validation over all that field, like so बेसिकली क्या होता है हमारा बेसिकली हम जो बोलना चाह रहे हैं, लाइक ये जो रिक्वेस्ट बॉडी से अभी 4 फील्ड आ रहा है, लाइक सपोज जैसे नेम फ़ोन ईमेल एंड पासवर्ड. सो इसका सबका हमने इधर पे डिफाइन तो कर लिया है, लेकिन अभी अगर हम इस पे इन केस सो अभी अगर हम इसको कोई फील्ड ना दे, हटा दिया हटा दिया. सो एज यू कैन सी इट्स कमिंग फ्रॉम 500. सो ये हमारा ट्राई कैच ब्लॉक की वजह से ये हैंडल हो रहा है, लेकिन ये कन्वेक्शनल नहीं होता है. हमको हर एक फील्ड का वैलिडेशन करना पड़ता है, मतलब चेक करना पड़ता है जब भी हम प्रोफेशनल में इंडस्ट्री में जाते हैं. तो हर एक फील्ड का प्रॉपर वैलिडेशन होना चाहिए, नहीं तो कोई भी एसक्यूएल इंजेक्शन करके लाइक इस पर कोई irrelevant चीज़ एसक्यूएल इंजेक्शन कर सकता है. So to prevent that and to secure our Node.js server, we must focused on our validation part. So second part में हम ये validation complete करेंगे. So as of now, that's all. Thank you. And it's gonna be take three parts. So basic part was that. After that, we in next project we done validation. After that, we just do the login part as well the WebSocket implementation part, and we also gonna save into our MongoDB as well. So that's all for this part. Thank you.